This video shows the process to transport licenses using Pathwave License Manager, PLM. If a license is transportable, you can transport or move it to a different host. There are 4 steps to this, as illustrated. 1. Deactivate the license on the current host. 2. Synchronize with KSM. 3. Assign a new host ID. 4. Install the reassigned license on the new host. Before you start, make sure you have the host ID of the machine you want to move the licenses to, in other words, the destination machine. If unclear on what is involved with that, see the PLM help topic, which host ID should I use when requesting licenses, for more information. Step 1. Deactivate. First, we deactivate the license on the host where it currently resides. After deactivation, the license can no longer be used on that host. On the machine you want to move the licenses from, the source machine, start Pathwave License Manager. Select View Licenses and confirm you are viewing local licenses. Ensure that the licenses you want to transport are in fact transportable by checking the type column that says Transportable. If your licenses are not transportable, you will need to contact Keysight for assistance. Click Transport Licenses. In the Transport Licenses dialog box, select the license you want to transport. In some cases, multiple features are listed together with one selection box. This means that they are included in the same license and must be transported together. Some licenses employ an earlier version of Keysight licensing and must be transported using an earlier license management tool. If you have such licenses, you will see a message directing you to start or download Keysight License Manager 5, KLM 5. When you click Deactivate Now, Pathwave License Manager will attempt to verify with the Keysight Software Manager website, KSM, that these licenses can be transported. If there is a problem, for example, the KSM website is not accessible or the licenses are not transportable, you will see a message explaining the problem or problems. You can read more about this in the PLM help topic, Problems Verifying the Transport. If you take the option to deactivate the licenses anyway, be sure to save your reactivation codes as you will need those to synchronize and reassign your licenses in later steps. Step 2. Synchronize. Next, connect to the Keysight Software Manager website. If you are connected to the internet, the confirmation of deactivation will include a link to the Keysight Software Manager transport license webpages. Click this link to open a browser, synchronize with KSM, and continue with the next steps. If you are not connected to the internet during the deactivation of the license, you save the license reactivation codes. Copy those codes to a machine that has internet access. On the machine that has internet access, open the file, click the link to connect and synchronize with the KSM website. Then continue with the next steps. Step 3. Assign. In KSM, you'll request a new copy of the license A new license file locked to the new host where you want to use the license. Follow the steps on the KSM website to request a new license file using the host ID of the machine to which you want to move the licenses, the destination machine. For this video, we will simply request the license be assigned to the original host ID, but a typical scenario would involve assigning it to a different host ID. Continue with the assignment process by following the KSM prompts. The newly reassigned license file from KSM can be sent via email or can be downloaded. Email can be retrieved on the destination machine. Save the license file to a location on the destination machine. Step 4. Install. On the machine you want to move the licenses to, the destination machine, start Pathwave License Manager. Choose Add a license file. Click Browse. Browse to the license file that you saved on your machine and click Open. Click Add Now. PLM installs the license. Click Done. You should see the new license listed in the PLM View Licenses tab. That finishes the transport process. Thank you for watching.